Ever read an answer on Perplexity and think, wait, where did this info even come from? Today, I'll show you exactly how to check the sources behind any answer in just a few quick clicks. So let's start simple. I'll ask Perplexity a quick question. Just type it in like normal and hit enter. Now, take a close look at the answer. See these little numbers scattered right next to the sentences? Those aren't random at all. Each number is a direct citation, linking that specific claim to the exact source it came from. If I click on this number right here, it immediately takes me to the citations window, where I can click the arrow to see the specific citations I have in that sentence. And when I click one of the actual links, it takes me straight to that original article. So I'm not just blindly trusting the AI, I can literally jump to the original webpage and read the facts myself. But what if you want to see everything all at once? Just click on the links tab up here. This instantly shows you the full list, every single site Perplexity pulled info from to generate this answer. So that's it. 2 super easy ways to verify your sources. Click the little numbers in line or open the Sources tab for the full list. It is always worth a quick look, especially before you use the info for something important.